Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gamma Blue 11s. First, navigate to the shoe creator within your game's main menu. This mode allows you to design custom footwear for your player. Once inside, you'll need to select the Air Jordan 11 as your starting point. This ensures you have the correct silhouette to begin your design. Get ready to dive into the details of color and material selection. Now let's focus on the primary colors. For the main body of the shoe, including the mesh and patent leather mudguard, select a rich, deep black. This forms the iconic base. Next, locate the Jumpman logo and apply a striking gamma blue to it. Finally, for the outsole, choose a clear or icy blue color to mimic the original design's translucent look. Pay close attention to these details. Moving on to the finer details, these truly bring the shoe to life. Find the number on the heel, typically 23 or 45, and color it in that distinctive gamma blue. For the laces and the inner lining of the shoe, select a solid black. Double-check all the smaller accents and stitching to ensure they align with the authentic Gamma Blue 11 aesthetic. Precision is key here. Before finalizing, take a moment to review your creation from every angle. Spin the shoe around and zoom in to catch any missed spots or color discrepancies. If anything looks off, go back and make those crucial adjustments to the colors or materials. Once you are completely satisfied with your Gamma Blue 11 design, save it. You've successfully crafted your custom pair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.